yes, I used it. And
Basically, your dark stages.
yeah. So अभी जो सुशांत सिंह वाला हुआ, so everyone was like yes, उसने सुसाइड किया, मेंटल हेल्थ पे ये बात होनी चाहिए. अभी 2 वीक हो गए, अभी मैं कुछ सुन नहीं रहा हूँ, मैं कहीं कुछ पढ़ नहीं रहा हूँ, कुछ हो नहीं रहा, सब वो नॉर्मल लाइफ हो गई. So it's a human mind, we can't argue with that. But yes, I just want to put a light on this matter is that कि हाँ एक એમને પેલું ઇન્ટરવ્યુ ચાલે છે ફ્રેન્ડ્સ કરીએ હું આ વાત કરું हाँ अपनी अपनी ना अपने खाने की सब तारीफ करते पता तेरे को इधर आके
खाने की तब तारीफ करते हैं कि बाकी सब लोग आलसी हैं.
आके खिलाता हूँ. अभी इसमें आमा एडिटिंग करते करीश जेडी तू એ કરી દે પ્રો છે ભાઈ પ્રો હા તો yes so yes, I used this service that was available to me back in India. And if there is a stereotype in mental health, so if you think about anyone going to a therapist, the first thought comes to your mind is कि उसको depression है या he has been through a family problem, he has been through a bad breakup. और मेरा वहाँ पे breakup नहीं हुआ था, मेरा तब तो चालू हुआ था. So you can't argue. You can't argue with that. But yes, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. So if let's compare mental health to corona situation right now. तो अगर आपको सिम्टम्स दिखते हैं छोटे भी, लाइक इफ आपको सर्दी एक खांसी भी आ गई तो आपको लगेगा ओ कोरोना हो गया, तो लेट्स गो एंड हैव अ टेस्ट, let's go to the doctor and have a COVID test. So that's how it works. So why can't we have same thinking in mental health? So if you think there is some small issues going on, it doesn't matter. It shouldn't be a big problem that drags you into a depression or anything. It can be a small problem. It can be a normal argument with your friend, and it goes in your mind and it disturbs you. You can't concentrate on your exam or anything. We get a lot of mails from our C2 department saying that if you are facing any problems in exams or if you can't concentrate, just come to us and have a talk. So you should go. I was not able to concentrate on exam. I was having a normal issue. I had an argument and I was not able to concentrate. I was not in that big depression. You know, there was a small problem and I just went and I had my issue solved. It was that easy. So I could have gone to a friend. I could have gone to a friend, another friend, and ask about it and have a word with him. But ऐसा है कि वो लोग जो थेरेपिस्ट है वो लोग इतनी फीस भर के इतना टाइम इन्वेस्ट करके इतने सालों बाद पढ़ते हैं, तो उन लोगों को वो प्रोफेशनल्स है. हमारे फ्रेंड्स प्रोफेशनल्स नहीं है. दे कांट गिव यू अ प्रॉपर अनबायस्ड opinion or view on anything. So they give you an unbiased opinion or unbiased view if you project to them in a way like that has happened to you. So they can give you an unbiased view, right? So that's what things juniors coming in who will be seeing this video anytime in future or right now, that you have a good facility in your university, use it. We have a good facility here also at University of Adelaide. So that's the thing, many people use it. I know many my friends back in my batch and many other, they have been using, but I don't know, they don't want to share or they are afraid to tell to anyone. But yeah, there are many people who are using it, but I don't want to go in that that context कि उन्हें share कर रहे कि नहीं कर रहे. So it's their opinion. They don't want to share it. I just wanted to put forward कि मेरे को depression नहीं था. I was not taking anxiety pills or anything. I was just going through small thing. I had a symptom that can drag me to a big thing, right? A small thing that can drag you to a lot of big thing that can mix up, right? So that's it, yeah. So main small thing
कि तू critically उस चीज के बारे में सोच पाए that you need help for that.
Yeah, if you there so those who I know, they have been to this therapy sessions or they have this knowledge of mental health, and they think their friend or anyone is going through this, just tell them, just go there and have a word. They won't
that
judge
is
you.
pretty normal.
She's really good lady if you go and talk with her. ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि वो आप थेरेपी सेशन के लिए ही जाओ, आप नॉर्मली बात करने जाओ. शी इज रियली गुड लेडी. शी विल hear you out. She will give her opinion. She will give you examples. She will compare with anyone else examples, and she will give you a proper guidance to tackle that situation. That's what I learned, and that's what I want to spread. One man can't change the world, but we can bring, we can start. See, अपनी जनरेशन से ही स्टार्ट होगा. वी इवन आई थिंक दैट अपनी जनरेशन भी नहीं, जो नेक्स्ट जनरेशन आएगी, दे वुड बी रियली knowledgeable about these mental health issues, because our generation is still not that much advanced in this, because we still think as a taboo or anything. So we still think it as a taboo, but our parents' generation, they already think as a taboo. So it doesn't matter, talking about them. But our generation is already thinking. Half of them are thinking, half of them are open with it. Like I am open with it, sharing with anyone. I won't mind. It's not a big deal for me. I won't mind going it on a social media platform. You can make a video out of it, or you can do anything you want, right? So yeah, that's it. That's how it works. And yeah, you can share it with anyone. You can tell anyone. But if you want an unbiased opinion, you have to go to a therapist and talk.
That was actually really beautifully shared, Ruchit. Like, I really do appreciate you talking about it. And yes, it's like I said, it's something we use our platform to do, and you coming on the show and talking about it. Yeah, sharing experiences. I think it will broaden the horizon of people to say that, yes, you know what, so can we. And really, I'm glad. And so, what about you, Deepak? I'd like to get your thoughts on this as well. What do you think about mental health and stuff like that?
So, my opinion on mental health would be mental health is totally depend on the social determinants in your life. For example, a simple example, assume a lady with 2 kids, and she don't have a husband, and she is managing everything. Like, she is raising these 2 kids, she's sending them to schooling, and she's managing everything, and she's stretching herself in every ways. And for her to live a life, like, she would not have a clinical problem, but she would, at a certain time when she would be not able to manage, or she would be not coming up to the expectation which she wanted for her kids, then there would be an initiation of a depression, a disappointment, dissatisfaction from the life. So for that environment, our environment plays an surrounding environment plays an pivotal role. So I think social determinants should be more focused in regards with mental health. Like, like if you are my friend, you are in the community, let's ask them, or like, we can have a church talks, like what happened in your life, what stage you are suffering with. Talk can solve everything. So yes, if we are caring about our surroundings, and this is the humanity thing in the casket. So yes, so social determinants, I guess, is the term you are looking for, and for the mental health. Yes.
Well, that is
और मैं एक चीज ऐड करूँ, और जो भी मतलब जो देख रहा है ना, अभी फ्री में मिल रहा है, कर लो. क्योंकि जब नहीं मिलेगा ना, और जब चाहिए होगा ना, बहुत पैसे यूज करने पड़ेंगे. So अभी if you have an opportunity, then use it.
Use it.
Wonderfully put, man. Wonderfully put.
Or even if you don't want to use it, just get acclimatized with it.
you can just go and have
बाद
a
में,
word.
जैसे ये अभी रुचित बता रहा था कि बाद में ऐसा हेजिटेशन नहीं होना चाहिए उस चीज में. अगर तेरे को चाहिए, मतलब चाहिए, जरूरत है.
अभी मेरा केस ले ले. अभी मैंने तब नहीं किया होता, और मैं ऐसा सोचता कि बाद में कॉलेज खत्म हो, फिर देख लेंगे क्या होगा ज्यादा से ज्यादा. और तभी फिर मेरे पास एक और रीजन आ जाता नहीं जाने का, कि बहुत पैसे लग रहे हैं, राइट. सो वन मोर रीजन नॉट टू गो देयर. वो पहले तो वो टैबू वाला तो था ही, और एक और रीजन आ जाएगा कि पैसे ज्यादा हो रहा है, और मैं अपने सिम्टम्स ऐसे मरने नहीं वाला इससे, तो मैं इससे क्या बोलते हैं, मरने नहीं वाला, तो मैं इतने पैसे
जरूरत नहीं है.
वही जरूरत नहीं है. वो ऐसा
मतलब बेसिकली उस टाइम पे ये नीड की जगह वांट बन जाता है. उस टाइम अपने को ऐसा लगता है बेसिकली दिस इज अ वांट एंड आई डोंट रिक्वायर दिस.
हाँ, और वो
the actual thing is you actually need it.
Yes, you need it. And वो age में ना we have many things to spend money on, like family, our loved ones, like getting things, buying a house, buying a car or anything. So you don't have any extra money to spend on anything like this, right? So वहाँ पे वो excuse आ जाएगा. इससे अच्छा अभी टाइम है तो अगर आपको डिप्रेशन नहीं है, आपको सिर्फ नॉर्मल हेजिटेशन है, you have any argument or anything, just go there. It's not a big deal. She will talk you out, and that's how it works. If you need more sessions,
not even in bachelorette life, it is effective. Even when people are married and when marriage is not worked out, they go to therapy sessions and they sort out the things and understand each other's psychology. Because everything has a limitation. Okay, so in marriage also, in for a few years you like each other, this and that, and once you get bored, then clashes happen. So therapy sessions can be useful in that terms also. So not just focused on when you are bachelors and you have some sort of specific life problems related to your life also. So yeah.
Well,
basically putting it in two lines.
તે વાત કરી તને પ્રોબ્લેમ થયો તો તું ગયો તો તે ફેમિલી સાથે કોઈને વાત કરી હતી કે તાર ફેમિલી
હા એટલે ત્યારે ઇન ધ ફર્સ્ટ લાઈક જ્યારે મને આવું વિચાર આવ્યો કે આઈ શુડ ગો ધેર ત્યારે નથી વાત કરી બટ પતી ગયું છે બધું થઈ ગયું નોર્મલ પછી એક ટાઈમ આવ્યો ત્યારે વાત નીકળી હતી ત્યારે મેં કીધું કે યસ હું ગયો તો ધેટ્સ ઇટ કઈ વધારે ડિસ્કશન નતું થયું આના ઉપર એન્ડ દે સેડ ધેટ ઇફ યુ નીડ મોર
पॉइंट डालना चाहूंगा
if you need more help then you can go there again. Like opinion hoy parents na right barobar, like I'm not saying my parents are that much forward. They are normal conservative gujjus like everyone else. They still think like everyone else parents or think as it as a taboo. They don't think it isn't that much like कि ऐसे बीमारी है दूर भाग जाओ और मत करो ये सब. They don't think like that way, but they think like normally, like normal human being that are thinking in
India. जैसे social conservation होता है वैसा.
इतना ज्यादा नहीं कि भाई ना जाओ गए तो गए उसमें कुछ नहीं है वैसा. जरूरत थी तो गए. It's just a doctor. It's not like normal human being.
और ये हेजिटेशन भी है is just because of the society and the roles which we have meant in the society. Like हम इससे बात नहीं कर सकते, अरे ये तो ऐसा कर देगा, ये ऐसा ही ओपिनियन देगा. तो yes, taboo तो है, पर yes, we need to break that taboo and of course.
And I openly said मैंने सब मतलब जेडी मारे થયું તું બધું મેં કહી દીધું પેરેન્ટ્સ ને, જે મેં થેરાપિસ્ટ ને કીધું. They were supportive, that's it. And yeah, they were supportive. કઈ એમને કઈ એવું કઈ કીધું નહીં કે જેનથી મારે આગળ વધારે પ્રોબ્લેમ થાય. નહીં એવું કઈ હતું બી નહીં મારે. એમ સાચું મારે એટલું મોટું જેથી બધા લોકો મારી જે પ્રોબ્લેમ હતી ને, you can say that it's just 1% of what all people are dealing with. It was nothing. But that time for me it was 100%. કેમ કે મને ખબર જ નથી કે બીજા લોકો બી આવી ડીલ કરે છે. લાઈક if you know that people are dealing with more bad things, then you will understand that જે તમે લઈને આ બેસી રહ્યા છો ને એનથી એ કઈ છે જ નહીં. મતલબ સમજે એ એનથી કઈ થવાનું નથી કે મતલબ એનથી તારી લાઈફ ખતમ નહીં થઈ જાય કે
Pratyush, you're saying something. If you could put this in 2 lines, I'd like you to finish that thought.
हाँ, जैसे अभी रुचित जो बोल रहा था कि मैं थेरेपिस्ट के पास गया, फिर मैं आया पेरेंट्स के पास, फिर मैंने बताया. तो what is mental advice basically? Mental advice क्या है कि critical analysis of yourself in order to broaden your thinking. मतलब basically see the big picture and analyze yourself, what you are doing and what can be done.
Exactly, yeah, yes. This is what she also told. Okay, put yourself in different shoes, like in the people you had an argument with, and think about their perspective. It's simple as that. और मैं थेरेपी में जो बात हुआ वो नहीं बोल रहा, but that's how it.
हाँ, basically जो imply कर रहे थे वो.
सिंपल है, इतना ज्यादा है नहीं. लोग जितना ऐसे सोचते हैं इतना है नहीं. बहुत सिंपल चीज है. जाने का बात करेंगे. If you don't want to talk to your parents, doesn't matter. You just go there. और हेजिटेशन होगा पेरेंट्स से बात करने में, because they will give an biased view, because they would think about you. They won't think about your friend, of course. They would think about how good it is to yours, like to their son, not their friends, right? So they will give a biased view, और unbiased view के लिए तो उसके लिए तो मैं वहां पे जा रहा था. अगर पेरेंट्स से पहले बात कर लिया होता तो they would have definitely give me a biased view and मैं ऐसे ही opinion बना लेता, तो things would have been different, right? So I went there, she gave me an unbiased view, then I told my parents. So it's my perspective. सबका अलग अलग हो सकता है. They have like they want to share first with their parents, everything on them.
अनकंफर्टेबल बातें करने से ही कंफर्ट लेवल बढ़ता है.
हाँ, और you can say anything to her, like literally anything. She won't judge you. फरी take two. हाँ, तो ये वही मैं कि she is under the law कि she can't share anything that you share with her to anyone without your consent. So you don't have to fear anything. If she is watching this video, and if you go her and ask what Ruchit told about that person or what I was talking with her, she won't say anything, because she is not. She doesn't have a right to disclose anything, and she won't do that. That's the first thing she would tell you.
Patient-client confidentiality.
Yeah. So this is the first thing when you go to any therapist, they will say that anything you will say, it's between you and me. It won't be shared with anyone.
અને મને એવું લાગે છે પછી હમણાં જે ચાલે છે ને મેન્ટલ સાયકોલોજીસ્ટ ના ભાવ વધી જશે.
એ તો વધવાના, તો ઓલરેડી વધારજેલા, એ તો ઓલરેડી જ આપતા હશે. અમારે આરયુ એયુ બધા વધારે જ આપે છે, પણ આપણે શું કે લાઇટલી લઈને જવા દઈએ છીએ કે ભાઈ આ તો શું હવે અમને આવે.
અને નવી ફિલ્ડ ખુલશે, લોકો જશે, એવું કાઢશે એક કોર્સ સાયકોલોજી
કોર્સ કાઢવાનો. કોર્સ છે કદાચ આપણે શું
કોર્સ આ ગયા
નયા ઇન્ટ્રોડ્યુસ હુआ है.
It is a unit in now I don't know, but it is a
ગોલુ વિચારજો સાયકેટ્રિસ્ટ બનવાનો. પૈસા બહુ છે, બિઝનેસ
હમણાં બહુ છે,
બિઝનેસ
અત્યારે ફિલ્ડ છે લાઇટમાં એકદમ.
અત્યારે બહુ ગરમ ચાલે છે, હોટ ટોપિક.
What I guess I'd like to end this note on is wonderful thoughts shared by all of you guys, and for the viewers out there, that is how we are not trying. Please don't try to think that we're trying to trivialize the matter by saying it's simple. And trust me, it's not. I understand totally when I say this that it's not easy for a person to think things through when they're not mentally, okay. You can't. We're not asking you to critically think things through when you're not even capable or thinking of yourself at that moment. So we do get that, it's very hard for you guys. But what we're trying to say is just it's a hump which maybe if you can try to overcome, it'll make you feel better, and it's something everyone goes through. Like Ruchit said, he wasn't under depression. I know the dude. He was not under depression from what I
was not. I was not.
And it is just something where he felt none of us as his friends could give him something, because like he said, we are not psychiatrists, not psychologists, but we would have a biased opinion because we know the other person as well, maybe, or we may know him very well as well. So that's something, if you can, it'll help you guys a lot. And I actually thank you guys for bringing this subject on and talking about this, and I guess it's a needed cause, and really do appreciate you guys talking about this. And for viewers watching out there, it's our opinion again, and yes, of course, you're entitled to yours, and you can follow our opinion. We're not asking you to follow this, we're just saying if you can take it and if you think it works for you, we really do. I think I would be personally be glad that my technique worked out for somebody else, or even Ruchit would be glad that his way worked out for somebody else. That's all we're trying to say.
Yeah, and we have we are in college, we meet new people, we will have different opinions, we will have arguments, so we will of course have fights. And कोई ऐसा बोलेगा मैं 4 साल में किसी के साथ आर्ग्यूमेंट नहीं किया मेरे दोस्त से, तो वो गलत बोल रहा है.
हो ही नहीं
सकता. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता. प्रत्युष और मेरा
तू ऐसा फ्रेम गलत कर रहा है, फ्रेज गलत कर रहा है. बेसिकली आर्ग्यूमेंट नहीं, लड़ाई, बहस. तो बहस भी नहीं, लड़ाई बेसिकली.
वो तो होता रहता है. That's part of our human brain. That's how it works. You just have to figure out things. That's it.
अभी चीज वही है कि तेरे को तू फिगर आउट कैसे कर रहा है. Either you figure it out by yourself by sharing it to a friend, unbiased friend, और टू अ प्रोफेशनल, दैट इज अप टू यू। अभी मेरे को कभी कुछ ऐसा होता है तो मेरे को पता है कि मैं खुद से फिगर आउट कर सकता हूँ किसी और को बता के, तो मैं रुचित, जयदीप, रेड्डी या फिर अपना तीर्थक किसी को भी वैसे बात करता हूँ। उससे क्या रहता है कि मैं अपने आप को बेसिकली उस सिचुएशन में देखता हूँ, एनालाइज करता हूँ जब मैं उसको बता रहा होता हूँ। तो वहां से उनका व्यू आए ना आए, मैं अपने आप को सेल्फ एनालिसिस मेरा चालू रहता है। तो बेसिकली खुद को वही करना है, सेल्फ एनालिसिस करना है।
देख रेड्डी, सिर्फ एक बात बोलूंगा एट द एंड, लेट्स फिनिश दिस, कि इफ यू फाइंड एनी ऑफ योर फ्रेंड गोइंग थ्रू दिस, अपना ज्ञान मत ना म्यूट पे लो,
एग्जैक्टली
ज्ञान मत, उसको बोलना कि वो जाए थेरेपिस्ट के पास, वो उसके पास वो है,
उसके पास डिग्री है,
डिग्री है, एक्सपीरियंस है, उसके पास राइट है, बेसिकली लीगल राइट।
अभी मैं कॉमर्स वाले को बोलूं कि दवा बना, तो वो नहीं बना पाएगा, वो अपना काम
थप्पड़ मारेगा।
हमें अपना भी नहीं, रेड्डी का काम है वैसा और दवाइयाँ बनाना।
अभी श्रीजीत का यहाँ पे मेरे को सेंटेंस याद आ रहा है, इज्जत मत उतार, मैं ही तेरे अकाउंट संभालूंगा।
हाँ वैसा, हाँ वो भी है ना, मैं और गोलू हम खुद का अकाउंट संभाल सकते हैं।
अबे तुम बिजनेस फैमिली से हो, फैमिली
बिजनेस वाला
5 रुपया ज्यादा क्यों खरीदना है, सीख लेते हैं।
बट मेंटल हेल्थ में तुम ये सब नहीं सोच सकते, 5 रुपए ज्यादा क्यों खर्चने हैं।
उसमें खर्चने जैसा है, वही वो भी सेम ही कैंसर जैसा ही है मेंटल हेल्थ। मैंने उसको है ना एक ऐसे टर्म बोल सकते हैं कि स्लो पेंडेमिक, वो पेंडेमिक ही है पर बहुत स्लो है, धीरे धीरे बढ़ रहा है, दिखता नहीं, वही कोई बोलता नहीं, दिखता नहीं, मतलब है वो
वायरस भी कहाँ दिखता है,
देयर बट वी डोंट स्पीक अबाउट इट, वही, पर वो सिम्टम्स दिख रहे हैं ना, अभी सब खांस रहे वांस रहे।
So people, like you've seen, like, you know, this is what therapy session does, guys. Come on, like, you know, there's not, we talked about therapy, yes, but what we talked about was actual therapy, all right? And so just to be clear, but this is what we wanted to do, like, you know, get people to get their opinions on different stuff and different opinions. And today about mental health, which, as you've seen in recent events, it's a wake-up call for all of us to choose to do something about it. And one thing which I've been harping on for so long, and I guess it's a sentiment all of us share right now throughout the world, is we can't achieve a lot of things by ourselves. We have to fight it together. And mental health is one of those things. And the lockdown has proven that more than anything else. We have to be together, to be united, be together to fight against something. And for mental health, it's okay to ask for help. And yeah, more than that, yeah, we'd like to keep it fun and funny, but this time I'm pretty sure you guys must have, there's a serious talk. And that actually for me is delightful, because these two people are real fun, you know, and these two people, I had real fun experiences with them, and to see them be so mature and talk about this, seriously, like, foreign does some shit to you guys, like, seriously, this live example for you people. All right, so I hope you liked the episode though, and please do check out our other episodes in therapy session and our expert interviewees. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you another time, and this Sunday, I'll see you this Sunday. All right, see you then. Bye.